Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to take a look at this worksheet. It's practice. It's just practice adding and subtracting polynomials. It's 6 problems. You add up 3, then you subtract 3, okay? Here's the first one. It's a binomial plus a trinomial, okay? I just put the trinomial on top. I write it in standard form. Make sure the m to the 4th comes first. There's no m to the 3rd, all right? Not here or here, so I didn't have to leave a space. All right, m squared and then 8m. Just put it in standard form. Then I'm adding the other one. Just put that in standard form directly underneath the like terms. So the m squared is lined up and the m is lined up. And just add them up. In this case, as you notice, the 8m just goes away. All right. Again, you already have the answers, you guys. They're included in the worksheet. All right? I just want to show you how to do them. The next one is a trinomial plus a binomial. Okay? Again, I take the trinomial and put it on top in standard form. So a to the 4th comes first. And then remember the negative. Negative 7a squared comes next. And then 6a is last. Then I write the other one. I be careful, okay? Again, there's no a to the 3rd here. If there was, I'd have to leave a space. All right, this is 7a squared right here plus a. All right, so I have the like terms lined up. Again, this is another example of where a term disappears like that. Negative 7a squared plus 7a squared is obviously 0. So here's our answer. Just bring down the 5a to the 4th and 6a plus 1 more, all right, is 7a. All right. Number 3 is a trinomial plus a trinomial. Again, I take the first one, put it in standard form. So b to the 3rd comes first, then b squared, and then just b. And again, the second one, I line it up. So like terms line up. Make sure you have this negative in front of the b squared and the negative in front of the 4b. Don't forget that. And the 7, there is no constant term up here, so it's okay. Just leave it up there blank. And just add them up, okay? Again, this is one of these where the b squared, I'm sorry, it does not disappear this time. All right, bring it down. 5b to the 3rd. Negative b squared plus negative b squared. That gives us 2 of them. Of course. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it's 3b. And then plus 7. There you go. That's our answer. Yep. All right, let's do the next one. Again, guys, I changed it into an addition problem. And I write the trinomial on top of the binomial. Now, if you want to, see this negative? I'm changing the sign of each term behind that negative to turn it into an addition problem. So you can go like this. I'm going to change it into an addition problem, but I have to go minus 6 plus a minus 5a to the 3rd. And just write it here. This is a minus, this is a plus, this is a minus. All right? I'm adding it now to this one. Make sure the a to the 3rd comes first, and the a's go together. Guys, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2, a to the 3rd. All right, 1a plus 8 of them. Now we have 9 of them. 9 a's. Minus 6. All right, the 6 comes along. There's nothing down here. If you want to write like a plus 0 here, you can do that. If that helps you. All right, next. Again, I'm changing the sign. This is a subtraction. The first one, I just write it. Just make sure that the x comes before the 5, like that. The second one then, again, I change it to an addition problem. I make this a plus. That means each of these signs have to change. -6 plus 8x. So I write it here. 8x minus 6. And now I can just add them up. So this is 3x to the 4th. This is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9x. All right. Start with 5 and take away 6. Leaves you with -1. Okay? All right. Last one. All right, again, guys, end of the third comes first, and squared comes second, and then just n. So I rewrote the top, this one here, in standard form on top. Make sure the negative goes with the 7. Then I'm going to change it to an addition problem. This becomes a plus, so now this becomes a minus. This becomes a plus, and this becomes a minus. Then I can write it down here. End of the third comes first. That's -6 right here. N squared comes next. That's -8. That comes right here. And then +7 n. Now go ahead and add these up. All right, that disappears. All right, this is -15, you guys. -7 plus -8 is -15. Okay? 4 plus 7 is 11n. And that's our answer. All right, guys, give it a try. We're practicing today. You have 2 assignments. Go ahead and practice adding and subtracting. It's 3 problems each. All right? That's it. Thanks.